This year's Teagasc National Dairy Conference takes place on the 6th of December in Rochestown Park Hotel in Cork and on the 8th of December in Mullingar Park Hotel, County Westmeath. Given the price-cost volatility experienced on farms this year and the prospect for much change over the coming years in dairy farming, there is much to be discussed on the day. The conference will hear from leading food and dairy industry experts who will outline their views on how the quality and quantity of dairy products is likely to evolve in the coming years. We will also feature a range of practical papers of interest to dairy farmers.
At the National Dairy Conference, we will be discussing the animal benefits that can be achieved when swards are optimally managed, the animal performance effects when white clover is included in the sward, and also the nutritional responses to supplementation and optimal strategic supplementation guidelines.
It is expected that over 1.6 million calves will be born on Irish dairy farms this spring. So at the Teagasc Dairy Conference, we want to equip you with the knowledge to give these calves the best start and to keep them healthy throughout the whole rearing period. In terms of housing, just how much space does a calf need? If you don't have enough space, we want to guide you through a few options that are available and also give you tips in improving labour efficiency while ensuring calves stay healthy and happy.
In the fourth and final session, dairy advisors Adrian O'Callaghan and James O'Donoghue will look at benchmarking dairy costs and key performance indicators for 2023. Pablo Silva Bologna of Teagasc Moore Park will identify farm management practices to control somatic cell count, while Ben Lahart and John Upton will talk about methane mitigation strategies in pasture-based systems and how facilities and milking routine can affect labour efficiency. So to hear more about these topics and join in further discussion on the days, join us in Cork and Mullingar on the 6th and 8th of December. To register, visit www.teagasc.ie.